Again, here is a question that was asked me. JEE Advanced. Question says a block of weight 100 Newton is suspended by copper and steel wires of same cross sectional area 0.5 centimeter square. So A1 here given is AS is equal to AC is equal to 0.5 centimeter square. Length root 3m and 1 meter respectively. So L C is equal to root 3 meter and LS is equal to 1 meter. Okay. Next, their other ends are fixed on ceiling here. The angles subtended by copper with steel wires with ceiling are 30 and 60 degrees respectively. If elongation in copper wire is delta LC and elongation in steel wire is delta L, then find the value of this. We are given Young's modulus YC and YS. YC is equal to 1 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square and YS is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 11 Newton per meter square. Okay. So first of all, let us write the formula for Young's modulus, that is stress upon strain, force upon area upon elongation upon length. So from here this will be equal to F L A delta L. That means delta L will be equal to FL upon AY. This is your required formula. Now question asks delta LC. Find the value of delta LC upon delta LS. So this will be equal to Fs just delta LC will be FC LC upon AC YC. Delta LS Fs LS AS YS. So here force will be equivalent to tension in the strings, that is TS in steel wire and TC in copper wire. So this will become TC upon TS into AS upon AC into LC upon LS. This is given, both are equal, so this will be equal to 1. From here, now LC upon LS, that will become LC upon LS root 3. Only we have to find TC upon TS. So from here, in X direction, TS cos 60, TS cos 60 will be equal to TC cos 30. So we have to find TC upon TS. This TS will be 1 by 2, TC root 3 by 2. So TC upon TS will be TC upon TS. This will be 1 by root 3. Okay. So value of this will be 1 by root 3. Now left with ys upon yc into ys still upon yc. So y is this and yc this. This is 2 times. So this will be 2. That will be 1 by root 3 into 1 into root 3 into 2. Root 3 cancel out. So the required value will be 2. This is the answer. So this was also a very simple question. I hope you got it. You can solve this in just 20 seconds. Thank you.